Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be reviewing Bland AI. Now let's look at it. AI is everywhere, but is it all good? Bland AI is getting a lot of buzz lately, but is it worth your time and money? Choosing the right AI tool can be tough. You don't want to waste your resources on something that doesn't deliver. So this review breaks down Bland AI in plain language. We'll look at what it does, how much it costs, and if it's a good fit for you in this year. So, heard of AI that is bland? Discover the difference with bland AI. See for yourself what everyone's talking about. Try it now for free and unlock your potential. What is bland? Bland AI is like having your super smartphone agent but without the actual people. It's an AI phone agent that can handle your phone calls for you so you do not have to. Alright? That sounds good. So you think of it as a robust receptionist or customer service rep, but it is way more advanced than that. It uses fancy technology to understand what people are saying and respond naturally. It even automates phone calls completely, taking care of simple tasks like booking appointments or answering frequently asked questions. Now, who created Brand? This bland AI, actually not brand, bland AI was created by Tech called Sarah Bell. She saw her businesses struggle with tons of focus, and she decided to create an AI phone agent that could handle those calls, give businesses more time to focus on what they do best. So it uses the latest AI tools to give you super smart AI answers on any AI phone. What are the top benefits of Bland AI? Before we go there, let's look at how Bland works. Book an appointment, update a CRM, send a text, only one workflow. Pathways are the brain of your business. We deeply integrate into your existing systems, whether it is scheduler, ERP, or CRM, so your agents don't just talk, they take action. You map out the conversation and define each decision for your AI to make. Bland does the rest. Get started with Bland. Meet Pathways, the programming language for AI. So you start. You are speaking to us, I see a prominent tech company, you're doing a demo of Brand AI. Customer is confused, customer asks about brand, talk about yourself, I just want to explain to our audience how you work. Everyday Bland handles calls just like yours. Take a listen. These are called the Bland handles. Bland is built for the evolving demands of modern enterprises. Bland offers scalable solutions, real-time analytics, and 99.99% uptime to help you deliver exceptional customer experience. So it has this customer experience dictated infrastructure operating procedure. Your operating system for customer experience for enterprise. Bland goes beyond phone calls. You will gain access to campaign analytics, model fine-tuning, warm transfers, SMS, and even the ability to hook up any external tool to take actions at the right moment in a conversation. In any conversation, you can talk to the sales. Now, when it comes to security, their top priority is the customer security too. So Bland provides end-to-end infrastructure so your customer experience is never reliant on big model providers. That means faster response times and 9.99% uptime and fewer dependencies on external factors, all while driving your marginal call cost to zero. So they have data in-house. All personally identified information is completely secure and stored in-house by Bland. SOC 2 Type 2, that is protecting your data, is their top priority. Don't take their word for it. They've been audited, and we are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. PCI DSS. Need to handle payments over the phone. They are compliant and will protect all cardholder detail. That's actually. HIPAA. Have a medical use case for Bland AI. Don't worry, they are HIPAA compliant as well. Regular pen tests. They simulate cyber attacks, identify weaknesses, ensuring your system stays secure against emerging threats. Constant unit tests. They ensure content security by identifying addressing vulnerabilities in real life. Expert implementation. They ensure security measures are seamlessly integrated, protecting your system from day one. Robust guardrails. Ensure your data operations are secure with built-in protection against risks and vulnerability. Let's look at their insights, stories, and trends shaping AI phone calls. So we have AI in the travel industry. DeepSeek and Bland AI. Bland rises to $40. Whoa. Anyway, these are all articles you can read. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes to get more details about Bland. So this is it. I've gotten to the end. So let me give you a summary of everything. And the top benefits from everything I've seen of Bland are 24/7 AI assistance because it never sleeps. It's there to answer calls even when you are not. No more missed calls. Never miss an important lead or customer inquiry ever again. You can also set your hours. Bland AI works around your schedule, answering calls only during your business hours if you want. Supercharged with Bland to Turbo. It is supercharged with Bland Turbo. So you can get lightning fast responses and even more advanced features with Bland Turbo. You also get effortless appointment scheduling because the AI can book appointments directly into your calendar, saving you time and hassle. You can also keep your own number. There's no need to change your existing phone number. Bland AI works seamlessly with it. Then, custom tools for your needs. Tailor Bland AI to fit your specific business needs with custom tools. It's also perfect for small businesses. Bland AI is affordable and easy to use, making it ideal for small businesses. It also integrates with your other tools using the API key, so it's developer friendly. Those are the advantages. Now look at the best features of Bland: intelligent call routing, local presence with area code, automated appointment scheduling, customizable voice and personality. That's right, you can customize the voice and the personality to match your brand, creating a consistent and professional experience for every caller. You can under feature a detailed call analytics. You want to know how your calls are going? Bland AI will provide detailed analytics on call duration, caller demographics, and more, which will help you understand your customers better and make informed business decisions. When it comes to pricing, Bland AI offers simple pricing. It costs $0.09 per minute only for connected calls, billed to the exact second. Before we decide, let's look at the pros and the cons before you decide on whether to use or not. Now, under the pros, it saves you time, that's for sure, and then it keeps customers happy. It's very easy to get started and it grows with your business. Let's look at the cons. It can get confused sometimes. The AI can get confused sometimes and it takes a bit to learn, and it costs more if you want the fancy features. Now, if Bland AI is great, but there are other options out there. So if you do not want to use Bland AI, you can try other alternatives like Virtual PBX, which is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Virtual PBX offers a wide range of features and integrations, so check it out. They also have Grasshopper, which is ideal for solopreneurs and small teams. Then we have Ring Central, a robust solution for larger businesses. Diapad, known for its AI-powered features, Diapad helps businesses transcribe calls, analyze sentiment, and gain insights. And then we have eVoice, a budget-friendly option with basic call handling and voicemail features. Each alternative has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to compare them very carefully before making a decision. Now, let me give you my final thoughts. Bland AI is a powerful tool that can save you time and boost your business. It is great for handling calls, scheduling appointments, and more. While it is not perfect, yes, it isn't perfect, but the benefit outweighs the drawbacks for most businesses. So, are you ready to see if Bland AI is right for you? Give it a try for free and see how it can transform your business. Now, let's see if we can sign up. Ooh, error B2. Bland is not supported in my region. Bland cannot accept this connection. Let's see why. Bland cannot service this region due to US laws surrounding economic and diplomatic sanctions. Equally, they may choose not to service some regions due to the higher than tolerable rates of fraud. They understand that this may cause intense, often disappointing frustrations. They apologize. They do not advise using a VPN, and access to the platform will still be unsuitable and unavailable. They recommend we switch to a different provider that may service the region. For the time cost for our interest and usage of the platform, it is their hope that they may service us one day from the Bland team. That is disappointing. That's kind of disappointing. But I guess this is a no-no for my region. But I hope this is a good one for yours. Anyway, Hope you found this video helpful on Bland AI. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Now, if you've not subscribed like we said earlier, please try and subscribe. If you have, thank you so much, it really helps. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can get updates on our latest videos. See you in the next video, and that's it, bye for now.